How to remove editing restrictions in Word. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove the editing restrictions in a Word document and how you can start editing it. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is locate your Word document. So open up the Word document. After you're here, you should find the name of the Word document and everything. So sometimes when you're on a Word document and you've downloaded it from somewhere and you want to edit it, you will see this protected view, you cannot edit it and stuff like that. So whenever you try to edit it, it does not work. But sometimes you'll also find enable editing option right here. So you can press on that to start editing. But full editing restrictions might not enable you to edit it completely. So in that case, what you might want to do is close out this window, head over to the file location, head over to the view option right here. And after you're here, tap on this show option and select file name extensions. After you see the file name extensions, you will find the extension name. You'll have to rename it. So rename this, remove the docx and type in zip. So make it .zip and change it. Now there you can see it has now been changed. You can open this up and there you'll find different stuff. So if you head over to the Word option of the Word, let me go back here to the Word folder right here. You will find an option that says settings.xml. All you have to do is delete this. Tap on delete, tap on yes. Now that's been deleted. You can head back to the file location as before. And now change this back into docx. So change the extension here. Then tap on, just hit enter. Then you can start opening up your Word document. And again, tap on enable editing and then start editing it with full editing permission. And that's how you fix the problem, guys. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.